Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this quick video I'm going to show you a simple trick that might save the micro USB connector of your flight controller. In case you already broke it, you must be aware that sometimes it's impossible to fix the connector, and as you can see over here, the pads were ripped off because the micro USB connector in this specific board was broken due to a crash. And anyway, in general, fixing the micro USB connector is not an easy task. On two other separate occasions, I broke the micro USB connector while I was configuring the quadcopter, and then when I was moving it around while the micro USB connector was still connected, it just broke, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to prevent it. So my suggested solution is pretty simple. All you have to do is just to use a USB to micro USB connectors with a detachable magnetic end, and then after you're going to plug it to your quadcopter, if you're going to move it around, the other end is simply going to be detached. The problem is that it's going to be a little bit hard to detach the magnetic end, at least with this specific cable. So what you can do is to use this type of connector. So you can leave the magnetic part connected to the female micro USB connector, and then you'll be able to connect it to the quadcopter just in this manner. And again, if you're going to move the quadcopter around, this is going to be detached, and it's also going to be very easy for you to unplug this part. Now, the reason I have two cables on my table is because I want to show you that this type of connectors is not going to work. So this cable costs about $50 less than this one, but it only has two pins, so it will only enable you to charge a device such as a mobile phone or a tablet. So you need to avoid this type of cables, and the ones that you need to get is the one that have the data pins, and of course I'm going to put a link down below to this cable. The cost of this cable is $6, and you can also get just the micro USB part for $3, which is pretty expensive for the size of this product. It weighs 0.75 grams, so I wouldn't use it on a micro brushless quadcopter, for example, but on a bigger quadcopter, you can simply leave it connected to the micro USB port, and adding 0.75 grams is not much for a quadcopter that weighs more than 300 grams. Finally, I want to show you that it actually works. So as you can see, now the flight controller is connected to my computer using the magnetic adapter, and I'm able to connect to it and configure it. And you should note that only one end works. So if I'm going to connect it the other way around, the flight controller is going to power up. However, I won't be able to connect to it to configure it. So only if it's connected like that, I will be able to configure it. As always, I thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and you find it useful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.